Once upon a time, there existed a place where RC enthusiasts could gather and play with toy trucks to their heart's content. A place built specifically for RC toys and nothing else. That was the Cool RC Fun Park. However, since making this video, they've unfortunately shut down. But the dream must go on, so I'm here to share with you the incredible experience I had at the Cool RC Fun Park.
Kind of scary, dude.
It's scary? No, it's not. Do it.
You gonna catch it on video?
Oh, we'll catch it on video.
This is gonna fall and smash.
No, it's not, dude. Just go slow. Floor it. Junky style.
No.
Junky style.
This is where you would want the transfer.
It's tip. It's gonna tip. It's gonna tip. Oh my God, you're gonna lose your TRX. Oh! Keep going. Keep going. Well, just slowly. Dude, look how high up that thing. Oh, there it is. Whoa! Dude, keep going. Keep going. That is cool.
Right?
Wow, man.
Shit, dude.
That was awesome. And then it goes back up. My turn. Look, I love that shift of weight and how smooth it goes. Oh! It got caught on the end and flipped it.
I bet that one thing you got will make it up all that shit. That new thing?
Yeah, dude. Oh, man. Ooh, that was close.
Plus they got the back heavy body.
Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah. It started lifting up and came back down.
You got weight, I don't.
It slid down, man.
Yeah, look at that.
I made it.
Just go.
Oh! I had it until you told me to just go.
Yeah! How did you do that? I'm gonna call over
Oh! Three wheels, three wheels. Yes! Saved it, saved it. Ooh, who sucks? Who sucks? Yeah! Oh, don't do it, don't do it, don't, oh! I suck.
Dude, is that the... We can take our short courses on this.
Yes, we can.
Let's do it. You want to?
Yeah.
Hit that jump in this track? I want to get my slash, dude.
Whoa! Are you serious? Are you kidding me, dude?
Look at that.
Look at it.
That's the other shock?
Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
thing just takes it, dude.
It does.
Hold it.
Takes it better than the Sentin. The Sentin's sitting over there in defeat. Bad dog. Dude, free t-shirts. It's a cool RC fun park. We just got some free t-shirts, man.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
Shout out to
Appreciate
these
that.
awesome dudes, man. What was your name?
DJ.
DJ, okay. Thanks, man. For the water and the shirt. Tell
Yeah.
everybody, man.
Incredible, man. Thank you.
You guys have fun.
Oh, fuck.
We've been having fun since we got here.
What do you guys think so far?
Dude, it's
Love it, man.
fucking worth every penny, dude.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna pay you over the week.
Nah, man. Seriously, don't even worry about it. Seriously, I'm not even
It's
We-
worth it,
we
man.
feel
We
terrible.
came down here
I just
expecting to
gotta
pay,
check it
man.
out. No, I just got here.
We want you to get business. So
Yeah.
you can get, it's, you know, it's amazing, dude. There's nowhere like this. And it's people, there's a lot of people that always look for places like this.
It's really just the three of us. They're here about 30 hours a week, and then I'm here about 7 days a week trying to work. There's only so much you can do, you know what I mean? So many hours in a day, so we finally have to decide on some stuff.
I think that little bit speaks for itself. You know, me and Rocky showed up on a day that they were technically closed, but the owners still let us in, and inside everyone showed us nothing but kindness and enthusiasm for a passion that we all shared. So it really is a shame that this place doesn't really exist anymore. Though the cool RC fun park didn't last forever, the memories it created will.
Dude, thank you so much. It is hot out.